Industrial control panel safety depends heavily on two core protection strategies: overcurrent protection and motor protection. These systems prevent equipment damage, reduce downtime, and safeguard personnel. Overcurrent conditions, whether caused by short circuits or sustained overloads, pose serious risks by generating excessive heat. To mitigate these dangers, fuses and circuit breakers act as the primary protective devices. Fuses react extremely quickly to fault currents, making them ideal for sensitive electronics, though they require replacement after each operation. Circuit breakers, while typically slower and more expensive, offer reusability, adjustable trip curves, and added protection features such as arc fault or ground fault detection. Choosing the right device depends on system sensitivity, inrush currents, maintenance requirements, and the overall operating profile. Motor protection is equally critical since motors power most industrial processes. Traditional thermal overload relays safeguard motors by reacting to heat buildup, but they offer no diagnostics or predictive capabilities. Modern facilities increasingly rely on intelligent electronic overload relays, which provide advanced protection, real-time monitoring, and early fault detection. These smart devices track parameters such as voltage, current, temperature, vibration, and start counts, giving operators insight into issues like imbalance, mechanical jams, low load conditions, or dry running pumps. Their connectivity supports data-driven maintenance, improved OEE, and integration with supervisory systems. Together, robust overcurrent protection and intelligent motor management create safer, more reliable, and more efficient industrial environments. Whether in new installations or retrofit projects, prioritizing these protection strategies ensures compliance, minimizes downtime, and extends equipment life. ECO supports manufacturers, OEMs, and maintenance teams by providing guidance, engineering expertise, and practical solutions for smart, safe, and sustainable control panel design.